How to hide chats on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, are you looking to hide chats on Snapchat? Then you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to teach you in just a few simple steps. So, first things first, open up your Snapchat and tap on the chat icon beside the camera on the left side. So there, navigate to the chat section and then just tap and hold on the chat until a menu of option appears. After that, tap on chat and notification settings and then make sure your messages are set to delete after 24 hours after viewing or 7 days and not immediately after viewing. And then you can even clear the chat from your feed, and after you've done that, to retrieve your hidden chat, tap on the search icon in the top left corner and then type in the name of the person whose chat you deleted, tap on it, and there you go. The chat will appear again. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.